Today I'm looking for woodpeckers. This is perfect place for that, this little forest here. Last year I saw 5 species here. It was black woodpecker, grey-headed woodpecker, green woodpecker, great spotted woodpecker and middle spotted woodpecker. There it is, great spotted woodpecker. There's another one. I'm here again, and today there is green woodpecker and great spotted woodpecker again. I was here also a few days ago and I spotted black woodpecker, but I didn't manage to take photo of it. It was far away and I saw it only through branches.
Što je dobro?
Naranja stava, ja.
A,
Ona ko roza nešto, to je
pa
to.
roska staje.
A nisi isto tipla, vidio sam u drugim
Super
bojama.
važno za rukom.
Ne vidim kako je to. Može biti jabuka.
A predobro. Od dobar ugao.
I came here a few times since last time to chase black woodpecker. I saw it flying and I heard it a few times, but I couldn't take any photos of it. Today it's springtime and birds are singing all around. Besides green woodpecker, I saw some black and white woodpecker, and then I found it and it was middle spotted woodpecker. And of course there's black woodpecker on the perfect spot now when I don't have camera with me. Finally, there's black woodpecker and I got my camera and I managed to make nice video.